The first satellite launched was in 1957 from Russia. It was called Sputnik 1 and sent back information for 21 days until it ran out of battery. The Americans then started to make satellites too. They eventually made Echoes 1 and 2. The Echoes look like metal balls that are actually polyester balloons. That was used to bounce radio waves to another place on Earth. This is called passive technology. Before the Echoes, we used the moon. But that was before we gave up on passive tech. We then moved on to satellites giving information to other satellites. One of these systems is called the Deep Space Network, or DSN for short. The DSN helps us communicate with satellites that are too far from Earth. To reach these satellites better, we have 3 70-meter antennas around the world. They are in Goldstone, California, Madrid, Spain, and Canberra, Australia. The one in the picture is the one in California. The things usually using this system are satellites and rovers on Mars. We get pictures and newfound information through the DSN. Most systems are free to use by anyone, like President Eisenhower said through Echo 1. The satellite balloon, which has reflected these words, may be used freely by any nation for similar experiments in its own interests. It takes a lot of steps to launch things. There is ground control, which is usually a room filled with computers. This one is the restored control room for Apollo 11. The Falcon 9 from SpaceX got launched, and in the upcoming video, people will be explaining what is going on.
Miko. Stage separation confirmed.
Left-hand side of your screen.
Ignition.
First stage separating, second stage ignition. Love that green glow from the T-tab ignition. Both vehicles back on their way. Coming up shortly, we'll expect to see fairing deployment off of the second stage. Look for that on the right-hand side of your screen.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Beautiful shot there of those Starlink satellites. Finally getting to see space.
People need to talk to each other for things to get launched. In the Falcon 9, there are Starlinks that are a system of satellites that help information get passed and help people communicate around the world.